students, in previous video we have seen elementary row operations and elementary matrices. What is the definition of elementary matrix? It is a matrix, elementary matrix. It is a matrix which is obtained from n by n identity matrix, n by n identity matrix In by performing single elementary or column operation Let us take one remark. If an elementary row operation is applied to an identity matrix I to produce an elementary matrix E, then there is an elementary row operation that when applied to E produce I back again. For the three row operations which produce elementary matrix E by applying on I the list of the corresponding elementary row operations those applied on E will give back I given below. First is row operation on I that produces E, and row operations on E that produces I back. First row operation is Rij. That means interchange of row operations on I that produce E. First row operation is interchange of ith row and jth row. Row operation on E that produce I back, Rij, the same operation. See here, what is this? If you have I matrix, then you perform some elementary row operation and you get E matrix. And again, if you apply reverse or inverse operation on E, then we again get matrix I. Then next operation is K into Ri, means multiplying I rows, multiplying ith row by a non-zero constant K, and row operation on E that produce I back. For this we have to do operation 1 by K into Ri, and last row operation is Ri plus K into Rj. That means add K multiples of Rj row to corresponding elements of row I. This is the row operation on I that produce E, and row operations on E that produce I back. For this we have to perform operation Ri minus or plus minus K into Rj. See here, what is remark? If an elementary row operation is applied on identity matrix to produce an elementary matrix E, then there is an elementary row operation that when applied to E produce E back again. For the three row operation which produce elementary matrix E by applying on I, the list of the corresponding elementary row operations, those applied on E, will give back I given below. Row operations on I that produces E. These are the row operations on I that produces E, and these are the row operations on E that produce I back. The operations on the right side of the table is called inverse operation. We will see examples on this remark. For example, first, in each of the following and elementary row operation is applied to the 3 by 3 identity matrix, to obtain an elementary matrix E, then is restored, then E is restored to the identity matrix by applying the inverse row operation. I3 matrix is nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Here we perform operation 3 into R2. This is matrix C. 1 0 first row as it is. 3 into R2 means multiply each entry of third row by 3. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 0 0 0 0 1. Okay. Now we have to obtain I3 back. For this we have to perform inverse operation 1 by 3 into R2. First row is as it is. 1 by 3 into 0 is 0. 1 by 3 into 3 is 1. 1 by 3 into 0 is 0. 0 0 1. Hence we get I3 matrix again. So next I 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here we perform operation R1 3. That means interchange of row first and third. What we get? 0 0 1. Second row as it is. 0 1 0 and 1 3 means first row here. 1 0 0. Here we have to apply again same row operation R1 3. Then we get I3 matrix back again. What is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here we perform row operation R1 plus 3 R2. R1 plus 3 R2. R1 plus 3 into R2 means 3 into 0, which is 1. Then second is R1 is second entry is here 0 into 3. We get R1 plus 3 R2. Here we get 3. Okay, here we perform operation R1 plus 3 R3. Here we get 0 and this entry is 0 plus 3, which is 3. Second row as it is 1 0 1 0 and last is 0 0 1. Here we have to perform inverse operation, that is R1 plus minus minus 3 into R3. Okay. Then we get identity matrix 0 0 1. Let us take some remarks. First one is, if A and B are M by N and N by C matrices respectively, and if E is elementary row operation, is elementary row operations, elementary row operation. Then E into AB is equals to EA into B. EA into B. In other words, row operation applied on the product, row operation applied on the product is same as E applied on prefactor of A of AB. Second is, if the elementary matrix E results from performing a certain row operation E on Rn, that is identity matrix of order n, and if A is m by n matrix and EA is m by n matrix, then the product E is the matrix that results when this row operation is performed on A. Third is, every elementary matrix is invertible. Every elementary matrix is invertible, and the inverse is also elementary matrix, and the inverse is also elementary matrix. Fourth remark is, if A is n by n matrix, and A is row equivalent to Rn, then A is invertible. If A is n by n matrix and A is row equivalent to Rn, then A is invertible. Let us take one theorem. Theorem name is invertible matrix theorem. A square matrix A is invertible square matrix A is invertible if and only if and only if if and only if its row echelon form is invertible. If and only if its row echelon form is invertible. What is theorem? A square matrix A is invertible if and only if its row echelon form is invertible. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.